They've lost the trust of the community.
Tonight, the EPA announcing they'll be digging deeper into concerns of the safety of bathing in Flint water. Good evening. It's a story we've been working on all weekend long and something you'll only see here on Fox 66 tonight.
Joel, the big question here for the Flint community, is it safe to bathe in the water? Well, the news from the EPA coming on the heels of several meetings with activists this weekend, and within hours of those meetings, change already coming down the pipeline. We know we can't drink it, but are our bathtubs safe? That's a question the EPA is now digging into deeper.
It's deceptive and misleading.
All weekend, Scott Smith has been meeting with EPA officials on the ground in Flint. Smith is the water testing expert for Water Defense. That's an advocacy group funded by actor Mark Ruffalo. He has been doing in-depth testing, looking at the safety of bathing in the Flint water. After several meetings, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, this is what the EPA is saying tonight. We'll be collecting additional samples and discussing it with the larger federal response effort. This statement also showing what appears to be a new partnership with Water Defense, saying the federal agency will now start sharing data with the group.
That this is now repeating itself.
Early doctor Monahana Atisha was criticized for her work on finding high blood lead levels in Flint kids. Dr. Mark Edwards of Virginia Tech also criticized for his research finding high lead levels in Flint's drinking water. Now are both hailed as heroes by the community and government leaders alike.
To say it's safe to shower and bathe without even doing the testing, especially when you've got a lot of cases of rashes and serious health concerns. They've lost the trust of the community. They should say, we don't know.
Smith claims to have found carcinogens in the Flint water and for weeks has been urging people in the city not to bathe in it.
There are all these reactions going on in all these variables.
Even with his research, Smith admits there are still too many unknowns.
And no one really knows. The thing is, no one really understands what has happened here in Flint.
Smith admits his research is limited and these dangerous chemicals and organic compounds are most likely not in every home in Flint, but he's thankful to see the EPA now taking his concerns seriously. Meanwhile, the state of Michigan and the EPA maintain their current stance that it is safe to bathe in the Flint water.